Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I'm still looking at this as potentially being a WXY. I still think there's a pretty good likelihood that we're going to go up, most likely take out the high of wave W to complete this 3 waves of W, 3 waves of X, and 3 waves of wave Y. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, first of all, I think this is the A of Y. I think this is the B of Y. That would make this right here a wave 1. That would likely make this right here a big ABC crescent wave 2. And I still think that there's a very good chance that we are already in this wave 3, probably like a 1 of 3, likely now in a wave 2 of 3, and eventually go up for that wave 3 of wave 3, which is all part of a wave C of wave Y. So keep that in mind. Let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here. I would expect this to end up being some sort of a 3-way pattern. Now, the Aussie dollar to me definitely looks more like 5 waves down, which makes you think that the next move up would potentially be a crescent. But actually, the Aussie dollar, if you look at all dollar pairs, is the only one that's actually made 5 waves down like that, which tells me that it's more than likely actually already in a wave C. So we definitely need to pay attention to these fib levels to keep an eye out for a possible break of structure and a possible move to the upside. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I do have a feeling that it is going to kind of drift up today. Tomorrow is a really big day in the news calendar for the US dollar. We got CPI coming out tomorrow. I think that more than likely today is going to be an up day, and then likely tomorrow might even be the continuation of this crescent. I don't think this is a complete ABC crescent already. It might even only be like a wave 1, a wave 2, and then eventually go down for a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 of wave C. So let's take a look at it on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we don't really have a breaker structure yet, but we do have a higher low starting to form. So I think there's a pretty good chance this move down is over. I'm starting to think that it is likely a wave 1, and that this is actually going to probably make its way up to at least a 30 and a 50% for like a wave 2. And then maybe tomorrow's news is what's going to actually cause the beginning of a wave 3 of wave C. It all kind of depends on how it acts. If it just goes up and rejects structure, then probably should still look for sorts. But if it does go up, if it does give you a nice clean break of structure, then you could try to go long for a wave 2. Just keep in mind it's probably only going to go up to one of these Fibonacci levels before it actually goes down for the wave 3 of wave C. So, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.